This is some video of the Mayacan Sawmills. There's three sawmills, two on one side of the road and one other side of the road. We saw the one on one side of the road in operation, and
Can't hear you.
we saw the one on the other side looked like it was partially in operation.
Where?
When we chatted to the fellow that
Oh
was
yeah, they're
running it
just little
there, he
pressure
said
fault
that they
pipes, right?
just finished cutting 30,000 board feet. So I'm not sure what that translates into in the way of dollars or much about it other than that, but there seemed to be lots of logs on the deck ready to saw up, and mostly pine, but some hardwoods as well. And we looked around as much as we could, and that's what we saw. Now we're looking at the two mills on the other side of the road. Looks like their operation going there. Both had logs up, ready to be cut. And they weren't actually cut when we were there on this side of the road. But I had a good look around anyhow. It's two mills, and I'm sure one looked like a bandsaw mill, and the other was more of a conventional mill. Lots of lumber piled up in piles all around the place. I guess ready to be sold or whatever, and huge piles of slabs, slab piles from the trimmings off the logs. They're all over the place, down in the jungle and here at the mill site. Hopefully they'll be burned up, and right now it's a pretty unsightly mess. It's a brief look at Mayacan Sawmill operation. The three mills and the slab piles and the lumber is laying about in this particular mill site. Seems like the main mill site.